Kajing penlong kita masa Taiew lek Kmen hamman la kisnong kita giban pensngol tenat tangai ki Samla Henry wat ikirang Bhabriew kumju kalong kum kajing persang jong kanu ko dorbar snong banwan ra kajing iet pat kajing terli ha kasnong katau. Ka office tray kam jong rang ba snong ka Rynjah haringkat kajing tray lang bat kaseng Samla kaseng Thei bat ka Rynjah Sports and Cultural Club klub penlong ka Taiew lek Kmen lani ka Rynjah week arja arpusau. Ya kini ka Taiew lek Kmen ka belas sedang nadu ka khat pratrik ukulan lengkot arja arpusau kala poi no sya sikut lani ka grand finale kata ha ka arpun trik ukulan lengkot arja arpusau. Hakane keski lawan banyadon rengkat lang dau Chief Executive Member jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba penyat sing iem kumukongsan haringkat ka jingadon lang MDC ka Malki laim khra uba fanten la ka dong kum sembut kongsan u President ka FKJGP uba Dandi Kongsen urang ba snong ka Rynjah uba Eddie Viwar nalor kiwi-kiwi. Kalong ka ka pasngur tenat na kabenta ka ni kasnong bahakan ni kasngi hadian kat nyaw snam kalala ban penlong biang ya ka Iakop Thei Bhabriew bat rang Kynsai ha ka bagi balai sim benta ki long kat lai ngut ha ka thop ki Thei bat khandai ngut ha ka thop ki rang ka Samla suwan ki taryang kala yo ban khori ka nam job ha ka kerdan ka ba ar la yo da Samla pensai sun bat ha ka balai pat la yo da Samla ribhalang sun. Nakaliang kisenrang Samla Kenny Benson kupar Rynjah layo ban khori ka nam job ha ka kerdan ka baar layo du Samla Erickson Shilla bar ha ka kerdan ka balai pat layo du Samla Adrian Mauri. Lapani po ipieng su ikaning Jing lek Kmen na Jing ruai bagi Jing shat na kenhon baper ki bana ka Taihi kasnong. Haba ajing kran hakaning sngi uba penyat sing iem ula kentu ka dor basnang makanang yai beteng ban penlong ya kum kini ki program namarkan wan ra ka Jing iet ka Jing terli ha kasnong ka thau.
Waduh ki bajai jai rupa ki sangat berjuang you know how to win wonder you kasih ubah riba tu dah kesbar riba tu dah kesar riba lambang terbang basan remba pun belai klau bala kentang jengking ki bajrong ki lumba kenjang isnong ki basu bajing kuat ki dangman Sojong karam el sao ayong sangai bagino berjuango you know how no pen wonder you kasih ubu.
Badan kurang, bayar fee kita barak hanya. Negeri umkolat terasa bersaiman. Asyang ngasa Rynjah lemsnan. Ngadan kanyus nam karuta. Bat ngadang pulih hanga kelas kabakhatway. St. Mary's High Secondary School. Naryam ru kum I ka Ngadiam kasih tendrai mehindai. Kekentin chos bai. kaba shandar yang kadai na umulong sa satham kabaang ki umjer na uplang nag-step ki pernay ngaro na hiyang jalang ngami naliwat malanay. Nicolette?
Pan ko instang latihi Inyay penek ya karo kari Make some noise for Nicolette! Kiyak ki bajelew ki sat ki bajron Waduh ki bajai jai
Kaketeng jangan di bala hunong rum ngadiam kum ka we naga garo traditional tangki dikentil resipun
Sojong karam el sao ayong kiai
Please welcome contestant number 6.
Hinyoskum Hakrum ka beneng hasni ka perthei Ubhoi uwar kenriam upnar tungin yang teli ka we Ningkong ning syap Shwabangan sedang Nga ngu ya ublay try kenrat Ubla ayingi ya kamet ka basyat ka baklan Bangin ya kendu lang kumni krui Bat nga ay hublay ru ya kisyong kunor padan buram Bat kumjuru ya kasyong Rynjah kabalala ban pelong ya kani katamasa nga ay kublay kelumru ya pi ki paralok ki parajor ki paragur ki parakha ki kher ki mer ki balala ban ya dollang hakani kasni kakerteng jonga kadai iri phalang sun nga syong nga sa Rynjah dongrni ban nga donru hakakirta kaba arpuwais nem ban nga ladabru ya kakirdan jing pulie hakadigri Hakajing im jonga kabaman kasni nga jus ngo tenat bangan syat bangan lekay jing lekay kilan met kata kabalat tibru kum ka mixed martial arts bat ki weiru de ki jat jing lekay bat nga thrang ru balong I police officer bat ita iya ithei lekay bat bet bat ita I riu shampang iba ki wei pat ki Bhabriew kila ban khmi lenti haswa bangan Pynkut ngakwa pan pasyat syapi yakini kikitien sembok siar sembok rupa da kebaong kajingnya teli kalong kabor tangka ni kekentien kublai shibun
Contestant number 7.
Ladies and gentlemen
My name is Rynjah. I'm on the age of 24 and I am an entrepreneur and a businesswoman. Apart from these, I love cooking, dancing, and also reading novels. I am also very fond of having an adventure time with nature. Apart from those, I also love rescuing and foster stray animals. And I also wanted to say, I want to encourage the youngster to be brave and take part in any talent that you have. And also, a big welcome to you all. Have a great time ahead.
My name is Taiew, and I am 22 years of age. I am very much fond of baking and making handmade jewelries and accessories. Apart from these, I also love sports and fitness. And I am an entrepreneur by profession. And I love to be surrounded by positivity and loving energy.
Shillong Thei kari, Kmen banyai imsni, Toyai minot banroy, Jing Jing start banpoy. Kublay pi barok parakor parakha kiplaidon lang hangni, Ban ngai kublay ru pi shongknor, Bat kinong bishar badon burom, Kakateng jonga kadai ipilakan tiyo korba, Bat ngala don ru hakarta, Kanyo snem. Ban nga don ru hakajing puli kabakhat ar Auxilium Girls High Secondary School. Ban hakipor bangalat may sotanat banshna jingshna haki sports bat jingshat. Ban hakajing imjonga nga kwa benong hostess.
Kajong kiway, ka itenat, kajong lajong, ka kampalat. Ningkong ning shop ngai ngu, ya ublay ng buo ng tao, ban ngai kublay ru, ya pi baro, bladon ng katlang mata kasni. Daba buram, ngai kublay ru, ya kinang bishar, kinang penyat, bat kumjuru, ya kinang shongknol. Nga, kerteng ipin shaisen, nga dan hakar kita arpaus nem. But ngadon hakerdan Jing puli BCom first semester. Hakapor bangas ngau kelut ngajus tenat ru bangan syat balekai football. Dang lakam he ngatrang ru ban seng bat pinmi laka jong kakam. Tang kita hi kikintien kublai shi hajar ngu.
Kiriak ki bajleu ki sat ki bajrom wadu ki bajai jai rupa ki
Sanga bangawan berjuang you know how open wonder you kasih ubah Ribatu dak aspari batu dak aksar Ribalamang terbang basandur
Remba bun belai klau bala kentang Jing ki bajrom ki lumba kenjang Ishnong ki basu bajing kuat ki dangbat bajleu ki sat ki bajrom wadu ki bajai jai rupa ki
Sanga bangawan berjuang you know how open wonder you kasih ubah Ribatu dak aspari batu dak aksar Ribalamang terbang basandur
Uram ni kajong kiway, sarong ni kajong lajong. Kasngi ka Kmen ya pi ki badan hani bat ya kinong sembenta. Ngayang hani ban ai kublay ya ki seng sama Rynjah bat ya kinong penyat baro. Ka kerteng jonga dai nisha kriam bat ngadan ha kerdan Jing puli ka bakat way. Kerta jonga khatnyos nem
bajleu ki sat ki bajrom wadu ki bajai jai rupa ki
pin roi o ban ya pin ha la wei ngin ya thei lang a ei sa ngin sem kom pa Jing Kmen ki wei pak ti la wei ka snong ka shong happy ya ru kong pin ya thek thei Shong happy ya ru kom pin ya thek thei
I am Rudy Benjamin Karkungor, of 19 years of age, from Rynjah Road, and I am studying in class 12. My hobbies are I like reading, I like dancing, I like learning languages and have a soft spot for acting. My message for today is, you are yourself. You ain't anyone and no one can be you. You are precious, you are beautiful, and you are special in your own way. So stop comparing yourself with anyone and be a live a full-fledged life being you.
My name is Benedict Bankitlang Harkungor, and I'm 17 years of age. Currently, I'm studying in class 12 at Shillong College. Kakerting jonga Jeffrey Mauri.
My name is Rynjah Surong and I'm 16 years old. I study in Government Boys High Secondary School and I'm in class 10. I do have one quote for the day, and the quote of the day is, be the rainbow after someone's storm.
My name is Adrian Kraukpar Mauri. I'm 18 years of age, currently in class 12, a student of BSF High Secondary School. I'm very passionate about fitness. I love music, adventures, especially chasing sunsets.
bu shoya lade ka kerteng ka jonga kadai penrab lang jana bat ngadon ru arfu ars nem ka kerta bat ngajus ngotunan ru bangantem banput kijingtam tenrai kaksing kaduitara lani kanakra kangis kem mapunya ngotunan dia kan ye kasyu ka bangi lai ai menta
ki bajliu ki sat ki bajrom waduh ki bajai jai rupa ki
Sangat banget berjuang You know how open wonder you kasih ubah Ribet tu dah kesepari
My name is Nangsibor Atiar, and it's a very huge honor to stand on the stage, and it's a very huge honor for me to represent Rynjah. I'm currently at the age of 16, and I'm studying at All Saints, and I'll be doing my metric this year. So best of luck to all the competitors, and even though there's only one winner, I wish of you best of luck, and for those who lose, please don't mind, but we'll do better next time.
ki bajliu ki sat ki bajrom waduh ki bajai jai rupa ki waduh ki bajai jai rupa ki
Sangat berjuang You know how open wonder you kasih ubah Ribet tu dah kesepari Ribet tu dah keksar Ribet lambang terbang besar
My name is Kenny Benson Cooper Rynjah, age 30 years old, and I'm a resident of Rynjah Society Colony. I have a degree in civil engineering. I'm also an entrepreneur and also working with the Department of Health and Family Welfare, providing healthcare infrastructure to each and every corner of the state. My work demands me to be a breaker and a maker of things. In my opinion, I would like to make moments and memories and would like to break my boundaries and the demons inside of me each and every single day. I am of the Khasi tribe, and the attire I'm proudly wearing today is the traditional Khasi, comprising of the Tuya, Kaspong, Ka Janpong, Ka Jante Singkai, Kindri Thaba, Kindri It Singkai, Ka Wat Ringkap, Bat Ka Janbo. My firm belief as a person is that I have a very firm belief, in fact, that thoughts should not be buried, but visions should be put into reality. Also, everything in between is what makes life worth living.
bajliu ki sat ki bajrom waduh ki bajai jai rupa ki
My name is Erickson Shilla. I'm 16 years old. Currently, I'm studying in class 11 in St. Anthony's High Secondary School. During my free time, I love playing football and I'm very much interested in cooking. I would like to leave you with this quote. Life is short, so break your silly ego. Forgive quickly, love truly, believe slowly, and never avoid anything that makes you happy.
You pen wonder you kasih
Kiriak ki bajeliu ki sat ki bajrom Waduh ki bajai jai rupa ki
Sanga bang nawan berjuang you know how no pen wonder you kasih Ribla tu dak aspari batu dak aksar Ribala bang terbang
Kalong ka role model si hakan ika juk ka bamenta hakan ika snem ka bamenta namal babun sin ki dor barshnong layar ban ya kendu lang kumni khamtam ban penlong kumi niki event ki program bat kumju bandan kajing ya bam khawai shishnong shithau kum baju long haki snem ki ba khamen shwa por mengidang red ni jukan mau ki arpusan lai posna mensyang ajukan mau bawat hang ni shnong bokse ki wiwi ki shnong ni marjan ki judan ye kani ka bam khana shnong ka jing thmu hi kalong baling ba kani ka jing kendu lang kum shi shnong shi thau kawan ra e ka jing ya ie jing ya tuli jing ya long ka wei bat bante song ya ki nong shnong hapo jong ka shnong tengah so bandong ba kalong ka ek ka ba sultanat ban i hakani ka juk mentaru kadang dan kani ka bam khana shnong tengah soban kentui rang ba shnong ke executive committee ba nai Pynkut tang mentau snem lesi man usnem pinhabban penlong kum kini nama kalong sya ke ba dan kam hakanika por ka pementa
ya ke discipline prize tila shift snem dengan biang ngila ban penekam men kini ke trofi to tong ina jing thap ki bajam